Khan Academy is something I really love for my students, especially for math. Let's see here. If you aren't familiar, it is a free program, and it is online. And once you have an account and your students signed in on their account, it tracks their progress. Um, and I really love it because you can test out of skills. So if you're signing your kid up for a math class on here, it's self-paced. They're going to watch videos on their own time and work through questions on their own time. And it also weeds out skills that they already know. So let's take a look at this. So what you want to do is you want to log in. And if you don't have an account, you want to sign up. So if you click sign up, it's going to prompt you through the process of making an account. So go ahead and do that. And a lot of times I try to sign up for something that I think is free, and at the end they ask for my credit card information. That's not going to happen here. Just sign up for your account. It is free. You will not be upset in the end when they ask you all of a sudden for your credit card. It doesn't happen. All right. My account, I already have one here. This is my dashboard or my home screen. Yours is going to look different because I signed up for the teacher account, so I have classes, students, and resources here. So your dashboard is going to look different than mine, but both of us on the top left are going to have this courses icon. So let's click on courses. And you will see they have lots of great classes here that you could do. Let's take a peek at what they are. So we see on the left here we have math, we have early math, and then these are more like high school level courses, preschool, and then by grade level up through 8th grade. Okay, and then these other classes here. We have science and engineering, arts and humanities. All right, my 5th grader right now, we're working through this. I like the grammar. We have test prep. And I love this for my students that are taking the SAT. Khan actually worked with the College Board, the people that put out the SAT, to develop this program. So it's an individualized, independent program that they made in conjunction with the people that put out the SAT test. So this is a really great resource. Let's see over here. We have college careers and more, computing, economics and finance, English language arts. So lots of choices here. If we look over here, let's go to 8th grade. I just want to show you, once you click on the grade level or whatever course you want your child to work on, if you go down to the end, it says Start Course Challenge. So this is great because if they take this course challenge, it is 30 questions, and it is going to weed out the skills that they already know. So if your student's starting this now, like in the middle of the year, they probably already know a lot of this. So if they do this course challenge, it's going to check off those skills. And you can see over here, the purple, because of stuff I've done before, some of these are purple already. So you can see that these things got marked off a little bit. But you do this course challenge, and I'll show you what happens. I finished the course challenge for 4th grade math, but I got a bunch of things wrong on purpose so that we could see what the plan would look like. So once you do the course challenge, it's going to tell you what's up next for you. So up next for me, based on the math assessment I did, is place value. So I click continue, and you can see over here it says up next for you. So you just keep following it. So if we look on the left over here, we can see some of the skills I already have purples on a little bit because I did well with those or made some progress towards those. So you work through and you see that there's a video here and some questions that go with the video. So what I would do is I would have my student watch the video first, okay? So the video is like the lesson. So watch the video.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. Several sets of place value blocks, some with many
So
blocks,
this is the
and some
video
with
that goes with that set of questions. So after they watch a video, do the questions, and then if they get it, like they mastered it, they don't need any more practice on it, it'll be done. And then it'll say up next for you, the next thing would be place value tables. So just keep following the up next for you and watch the video, have them watch a video and then do the questions and rewatch videos as they need to. After they finish a section, there's a quiz. If they do well on this quiz, it's going to move them on to the next thing, and if not, it's going to suggest they go back and tell them what skills to work on. So this is really great because it's independent, it's free, it's individualized. There's so many things available that don't have some kind of a pre-assessment built in. I really like that this lets you have a test to check off the things you already need to do. And keeps adjusting as you learn new skills and put you back if you need to revisit some skills. Let's take a quick peek at the SAT just so you know what that's about. So if I had a student that was taking the SAT this spring, I would probably be using this time to have them work through this. Let's see. So down here, current skill levels. Just like the other courses, you could take that mastery test to figure out exactly what they need to work on and check off things they already know. You can do that same thing with the SAT prep. You can either link it to your College Board account, and then it'll pull in their any prior SAT tests or PSAT tests, and it'll come up with a plan based on which things they got wrong on those tests. If you don't want to link it, or you haven't done any of those, they haven't done any of those yet, you can do diagnostic quizzes or a full test. So these are like little chunks, or you could do it like all at once, and then it'll come up with an individual plan for you. All right, so I hope you find this helpful. If you have other ideas you want to share below, please share those. If you have any questions, please share those. All right, hope this was helpful.